How's everyone doing today? My name is Justin Snyder. I'm part of the Group 7. And the case I am dealing with today is Maple Farms, Inc. versus Elmira, New York City School District. So let me briefly talk about what this case is about. So the U.S. Department of Agriculture is in charge of milk. Okay. Under that, we have the milk dealer. We also have the Elmira School District. Okay, so the milk dealer had a contract between the school district for the prices of milk, or for the selling of milk. Unfortunately, due to the circumstances at the time, the milk increased in price. I don't know if you can see that or not. It increased in price. And the milk dealer, he said, okay, well, I would hope that the school district would relieve the contract that we made, because the problem is the milk is too expensive. It's going to cost me money in the end financially. So I'm hoping that, Elmira, could you please get rid of the contract? And the school district said, no, we're not going to get rid of the contract. That wasn't part of the agreement. So the dealer said, okay, I'm going to take this to court. And that's exactly what he did. So the defendant will be the school district, and the plaintiff is the milk dealer. Okay. So what's interesting about this whole case is the contract did mention the risk of the increase in milk. It did mention that it could increase in price. However, it did not provide an exculpatory clause to excuse the contract. So what is an exculpatory clause? An exculpatory clause is a provision in a contract under which one party is relieved of any blame or liability arising from the other party's wrongdoing, or it is one party that is freed from all liability arising out of performance of that contract. Okay, so because the contract did not have a exculpatory clause, the court granted the school district in favor and dismissed the complaint from the plaintiff. So basically, the milk dealer had to give the milk to the school district, abiding its contract and sticking to it. So, I mean, in the end, what can we learn about Maple Farms, Inc. versus Elmira, New York City School District? I think we can learn that just because a contract mentions something doesn't mean anything. You have to have certain clauses in order to protect one party or the other party. And that's basically what happened. So in the end, the milk dealer suffered financially because it did not explain clearly in the contract the exculpatory clause. And the school district got their milk. And the rest is history. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my video.